Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook followers not showing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, I'm going to go to my main profile, which is going to be on the bottom right. Now from here, we're going to go to the system settings. So you can click on the three dots on the top left, and then from here you can see settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, click on settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to then scroll down until you see the button that says audience and visibility section. And then under it, there's going to be a button that says followers and public content. Click on that. Once you click on that one, then you can see right here all the options of who can see your followers in your profile and who can see your page followers and who can follow me. So you can switch this from just friends to other options if you have it. And then who can see the people and followers on your page, then you can click from just friends to public and you can show it like that. Once that is set and you can turn all of them to be public rather than just friends, then you're going to go back to your main profile. And once you do that, you can see right here the button that says edit profile. Click on that. Once you click on edit profile, you can see right here the personal details and all of them. And then from here, once you scroll down and you want to add more things, then one of the options is going to be showing the followers and you can enable that. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.